Hi there, Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're going to take a walk on board a 2023 Boston Whaler 32 Vantage. This boat is in stock in our showroom and available for immediate delivery. We'll get you out for the 4th of July. This one is going to be powered by twin Mercury 300 V8s. This one does have the black piping with the platinum painted hull. Really great colors, very, very popular. Let's step on board and see what she offers. So now we're in the cockpit of the Boston Whaler 32 Vantage, and I'm telling you, this boat is built for entertainment, it's built for fishing, and it's really built to enjoy the entire day on the water. First thing you're gonna notice on the starboard side, you have an amazing walk through right onto the dock. You do have a ladder that latches in here for if you wanted to dive or take the kids snorkeling. Easy access on and off the boat. Moving forward on the starboard side, you're going to notice we have our little entertainment area here. We do have a sink, we have a well, we have our bait station, and we have a grill to cook any burgers or anything you wanted to cook, some fish if you catch it. We also do have a stainless refrigerator as well. What we did pass up on the back though is Whaler's very large aft seat here. And again, pop it up and you have all this open deck space, access to everything. The neat option on the port side that they have on this is what I call your double row seating. You do have a aft seat here as well as a forward facing seat and then also another forward facing seat. But the really neat thing is if you wanted to extend this down and have layout area, this seat will spin around as well. This is on an actuator, electric, and then you have this entire area for lounging, seating, entertainment, anything you really wanted to do on board. Again, this does have the black piping, which has become very, very popular. Massive fiberglass hard top. You do have wind vents to be able to get some more air in if you're running the boat, but if you're in a storm, this thing is a beast. Nice port side here, little small area to get out of the wind, get out of the rain. It is air conditioned. You do have two options for either a generator or a battery powered. At your helm here, really everything you need. Twin Simrad screens. We have our vessel view, of course, Simrad VHF radio, trim tabs, your throttles, and of course your joystick docking with Skyhook and autopilot. Another neat option that they have on the Vantage is a massive starboard head, air conditioned of course, freshwater shower in there, sink, and then forward we have a very large lounge pad up here, two forward facing seats, access to the windlass of course. We do have the filler cushion in. You also have an option here for the table. Come on down, check out the 32 Vantage by Boston Whaler. Patrick Rourke at MarineMax Clearwater.